Today we're making lemon almond crinkle cookies. These are some of my favorite cookies. They're super simple to make with little more than almond flour, egg whites, and sugar. That means they're naturally gluten-free, but you're not sacrificing anything. Measure out 180 grams of sugar into your mixing bowl. I recommend doing this by weight because it's kind of a strange measurement. Then you're going to add a finely grated lemon zest of 1 lemon. Rub the lemon zest into the sugar with your fingers, and this will sort of release the flavorful oils of the lemon and let that flavor really shine. Then you're going to add the sifted almond flour. Again, I do this by weight. It's just easier and you don't dirty a measuring cup. Also add the baking powder, baking soda, and a little bit of salt. And then whisk until evenly incorporated. Now for the egg whites. Wipe your mixing bowl out with the rind of the lemon. This sort of just gets rid of any residual fats that might prevent your egg whites from whipping up. Add the egg whites to the bowl, and then you're going to beat them on medium speed for a few minutes until they're frothy. Once you have a nice foam going, you can increase the speed to high, and then beat them until you get nice, medium, soft peaks. Exactly like that. Add the egg whites to the almond flour. Again, I'm using my scale for this because eggs can really vary a lot in size. So we're looking for 75 grams of egg white here. Add the lemon juice and a little bit of almond extract for flavor. Then use a spatula to incorporate the egg whites into the almond flour. You don't have to be too delicate about this. We're not making macarons. You just want to have the egg whites fully incorporated until you get a nice, soft, sticky dough. Portion out your dough using a small cookie scoop. These are going to get 2 coatings of sugar. The first is in granulated sugar, and this will kind of help improve the crackling appearance. And next, you're going to put it in powdered sugar, and this will make those crackles really pop. Once you've shaped your balls, you want to arrange them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 1 inch or 2 of space between them to allow for spread. Let them sit at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes to dry out just a little bit, and then you're going to pinch them very gently with your fingertips, and this sort of encourages the cracks to form. Bake for 22 to 25 minutes at 300 degrees. This is a slightly lower temperature. Bake until the tops are nice and crackled and spread and the bottoms are golden brown. This is my favorite trick to get really nice round cookies. You take a cookie cutter and just kind of swirl it around while the cookies are still warm just out of the oven. Makes for perfect circles. Not only are these cookies incredibly easy, they're also so good. They're chewy, they're crispy on the outsides, they're almond, they're lemon, all the flavors that I love. I hope you like them as much as I do. You can find the full recipe at loveandoliveoil.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.